Sheikh, when parents have a child, sometimes if they have a boy, they celebrate that more than when it's a girl. Is that permissible?
Right, they should not be doing this. They should be celebrating always the sake of that that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed them with a child. Either they don't know their khair, their good is in the girl or the boy. So this is not from the sunnah to be having glad tidings only when you have a male and you don't have a female. Okay, so it should be like, if it's a natural happiness, no problem. But if it's to be designating more happiness, like for example, a person, I like to have a boy because the boy, first one, will be carrying my name and all of that. That's natural. But now to have a more celebration when it is a boy, no. We celebrate religiously. How religiously? Prophet ﷺ, he said, when there's a boy, then it's two sheep. If it's a girl, it's one sheep. That's the allowed here. But to have a 50 nights celebration for a boy and 25 nights, for example, for a girl, that is not the Sharia. So you go with the Shara, with the Deen. So the Deen allowed us to have we celebrate two lambs, okay, for the male, and it's one for the female, one sheep for the female. That's religiously, okay. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you look at him, he had no sons, all girls. Only son he died. He had son before him, Abdullah, and then he had Ibrahim. But the girls who survived for him, 4 girls, the Prophet ﷺ, and all of them, they are one of the best of ladies, especially Fatima radiallahu anha.